Good morning. Welcome to Thompson Toyota.
Good morning.
How may I help you today?
I'm just here for regular maintenance today.
Okay, cool. And what is the last name that the car is under?
Apple?
Gotcha. Okay, Miss Apple, I see that you have an appointment for this morning. Looks like we're bringing in your 2019 Camry today, that's correct?
Yes.
And it looks like you've got about 51,000 miles on it.
Yep.
I'm just gonna run your VIN number in my Toyota database and see what we're doing today.
Okay.
All right, looks like you are eligible for Toyota Service Care. Has anyone ever spoke with you about that before?
No, what is that?
Awesome. Well, it is our prepaid maintenance plan. I have an example sheet for you here. So what it does is it includes 5 services. You pay upfront a fee of $299, and then that covers your next 3 oil changes and 5 tire rotations over 5 different visits.
Okay.
It does save you quite a bit of money in the long run if you're looking to keep and maintain your Toyota with us here at Thompson or any other dealer nationwide. So you got your 2 years, 5 services for $299. Adding everything up, the cost of your oil changes and tire rotations totals $424.80, plus that 2-year, 24-hour roadside assistance. The value is $250. So if you were to pay everything out of pocket, you would be looking at $674.80. But again, you get locked in at that one price of $299 for the next 5 years. And if for whatever reason those oil change prices go up in the next 2 years, like our cost of oil goes up or our cost of labor goes up, you are locked in at that price. So it does save you quite a bit of money in the long run. Does that sound good for you today?
Yeah, that's kind of a no-brainer.
Okay, I'm gonna type up the contract for you. Once we get all your paperwork back at the end, you'll give me a couple of signatures, but we'll get you on your way. If you're waiting here in the meantime, we do have coffee and water in our waiting room back that way, or we will give you a call when you're all finished.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.